One day it will all run out, of course, but for now Norway can essentially pump money from beneath its waters. Oil or gas, the world wants it, and Norway has it. But what it also has is an ethical conundrum.
Who do we want to be in Norway? Do we want to be the guys who invest in tar sand, oil in the Arctic, Fukushima, Deepwater Horizon? Or do we want to be with the renewable solar, wind, bio, electrical cars? I think the answer is quite easy to that.
Frederick is one of many Norwegians calling for the country's vast petro-wealth to be invested in a more environmentally friendly way. And it's some wealth managed from this bland building in central Oslo. $855 billion. That is the current value of Norway's oil fund. That's about $170,000 for every living Norwegian. On average, the fund owns more than 1% of the entire world's listed stocks, but it also invests in bonds and property too. The government's already looking into dumping the shares of heavy polluters like coal companies. Friday will see an announcement on what's next for green tech investment. There are voices urging caution though. The fund, says this economist, should be playing it safe.
There will always be politicians and interest groups in society that would like this money to be spent on one way or the other, and whatever is the current, say, fashion in the investment industry, to invest in environment, in solar industry and so on. But I think for the politicians to try to pick and choose which sectors will grow faster than others, for politicians to do these kind of priorities, I think is kind of futile.
Call it fashion, call it guilty conscience, call it doing the right thing. Norwegians have the cash and now are feeling they should be doing more than just watching the pile grow. Rory, Challands, Jazeera, Oslo.